Welcome to NextGenerationHub. Today we explore the complete industrial process of a modern sugarcane factory. The cane first passes through washing drums, where mud, soil, and stones are removed. Only clean cane enters the crushing line. Sugarcane arrives at the mill in massive truckloads. Heavy grab cranes unload the cane and move it onto high-capacity conveyor belts. Powerful crushing mills squeeze the chopped cane with massive pressure. The rollers extract every drop of juice while the cane fiber becomes dry.
The raw juice is heated to eliminate bacteria and prepare it for clarification. Lime is added to the juice, helping impurities bind together so they can be easily separated.
The clarified juice enters multiple effect evaporators, where water is removed and the liquid thickens into a syrup.
In the clarifier tank, heavy particles settle at the bottom, leaving clean juice at the top.
Inside vacuum pans, the syrup boils at controlled temperatures until sugar crystals begin to form.
These crystals mixed with syrup are called masaquite, a semi-solid mixture ready for separation.
Vibrating screens grade the sugar by size, fine, medium, and coarse.
High-speed cane knives chop the sugarcane into small pieces, increasing its surface area for efficient juice extraction. The extracted juice flows through pipelines into large settling tanks, marking the beginning of the sugar manufacturing process.
The leftover syrup from the centrifuges becomes molasses, used for ethanol, alcohol production, and livestock feed.
The dry cane fiber, known as bagasse, is collected and reused as fuel.
These steam turbines supply electricity, making the sugar mill nearly self-sufficient.
Bagasse powers massive boilers that generate steam to run the factory as turbines. Refined sugar is stored in large silos before packaging or bulk shipping.
Robotic palletizers stack sugar bags neatly for large-scale distribution.
These transport trucks deliver thousands of tons of sugar across the nation.
The factory follows strict hygiene practices, keeping floors, belts, and equipment sanitized. Sugar crystals go through extensive purification, evaporation, and drying internally, ensuring perfect quality every time.
Evaporation and crystallization stages are closely monitored to maintain consistency and sugar purity.
Confirming temperature readings before the next press.
Each packed bag passes weight, seal, and batch code verification before dispatch.
Modern automation, sensors, and control rooms manage the entire process with remarkable precision.
Sugar mills operate like industrial powerhouses, crushing thousands of tons of cane every day.
From fresh cane to finished sugar, the production never stops.